Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add papers to your Mendeley library. First, we will add a paper from the Database Sciencedirect. On the Moon Library homepage, click on Find Databases, and then we will go to the ST tab and click on Sciencedirect. Here we can search for a topic, and I'm going to search for urban air pollution. And from this list of results, I'm going to click on the second article here. And then I can click on this export link at the top, where we see a direct export to Mendeley. And when I click on that, it should open up a window to the right with the citation information about the article, the option to check the box to download the PDF, and then we just need to click Save. And it has saved the reference to our Mendeley library. If we go to Mendeley Desktop and click Sync, that article that we just exported shows up here, showing all documents. We could also click on Recently Added, and it would show that as well. Okay, next, let's use the web importer, which is basically the same thing we just did, but from Google Scholar. So we'll go to Google Scholar, and we'll search the same topic here as well. Urban air pollution. Now here we have several articles. Some are PDFs. Let's again select the second one, and over here we'll just click to the PDF on the right. And once the PDF loads here, we will click on our web importer up here in the right. And again, we see this window open, and it has found the citation information. Again, we will click Save, and it has saved the PDF and the reference. And again, if we click Sync in Desktop, there is our citation. Alternatively, you can add papers from other databases. If you're searching OneSearch on the library homepage, we will look for another article here. Perhaps this article here. Now over on the right hand side you see this export button again, and we need to direct export in an RIS format. Click Save, and then in Mendeley Desktop we need to go to Import RIS format. And here it takes us to our downloads. That's where the exported RIS format usually goes. And so we'll click on this one from today, click open, and it found that article. So now we have several articles here, and I'll just note that we may want to clean up these citations just a bit and take out this original article bit just so we have the article title. And then this one, I won't do it right now. I would change this so it's not in all caps because most citation styles do not use all caps. Okay, so that is the basics of how you can add papers to Mendeley Desktop. They also show up in your web library. So if we go to our web library, and you'll see those papers there as well. You'll notice there are only 3, but we had 4. So if we click Sync in Desktop again, and refresh, there they all are. Thank you. Next,